Hello and welcome to the Tigre.pup channel. I was having trouble keeping my foam padding up because my tights kept pulling them down, and I'd like to show you how I fixed the problem. If this interests you, then please keep watching. Okay, so I was having an issue with my tights constantly pulling down my foam padding. As you can see here, it makes my waist look straight up and down, and then all of a sudden my hips just round, and I was hoping to get something a little bit more symmetrical. So right here I'm just trying to give you a look at a previous video I did, where as you can see on one side it almost does like a dip where it's like straight down and it like you bump into hip. So I was thinking of ways that I can probably fix this issue, and I decided to go and do a Google search and see if anyone else had this problem. Okay, so I found this thread, and they mentioned the same things as far as like keeping them into position. I believe somebody mentioned a bodysuit. So I decided, you know what, I think I'll give that a try. Because it makes sense, the tights won't be able to pull them down. So I decided to go to the Target website and I placed an order for some bodysuits. Okay, so I have two to be exact, and we're going to compare the two. Okay, so this is the first one by Jockey Generations. It's called Jockey Generation Body Suit. Cost me about $18, and I chose the sizing, not my body size, but the body size with my padding. Here is what they look like. I needed ones that are extended because my pads reach all the way to my knees, so I needed the really long ones. So this is the total price of how much it costs, and this is what I received in the mail, in the Target mailer. And we're just going to open it up and see what we have inside. Okay, so right here I'm just inserted a clip as far as like how I went about putting in my tights and everything. So if you were interested in doing the same thing, this might work for you, or maybe not, who knows. But so I'm just going to put in my tights, and we're going to have a look and see what we're going to be looking like after everything is all said and done. So the issue is that my tights were pulling down my body pads. Like I said before, women's hips start really high and they protrude out a lot more. So in order for me to imitate that look, I have to have my pads pretty high. And it's really a problem when you have all the tights that you have to wear, and it's constantly pulling it down and it's giving you a misshapen look. So this is what everything looks like. I put in my pads and everything, and we're going to take a look and see what happens after this. Okay, so what I'm feeling now is it feels a little bit loose and a little bit all over the place, but I figured once I put in my tights, it should make everything nice and secure. You know what, this reminds me of Batman Returns. My daddy had taken me to the movie one time, and we saw this movie, and oh geez, I loved it so much. And we actually saw Michael Keaton in the airport one time, and he actually gave me an autograph when my dad got me to ask him for an autograph. And yeah, I would never forget this movie. It's probably my favorite Batman movie. But basically what I'm saying is it reminds me of Penguin. Just a little side note. Okay, so right here I'm just giving you a 360 of what we're looking like so far. It's all kind of loose and not very stabilized. This is a reminder of what everything looks like before I started using the bodysuit. My torso is pretty long, as you can see here, and it's all of a sudden you hit hips, and that's not the shape we're going for. This is the look with the bodysuit, body shape or whatever, and it's a lot better. I prefer this better than without it, even though it's added another layer or whatever, but it keeps my pads in the place that I want them to be and not where they migrate to, because my tights are just constantly pulling them down. So here's a close-up, and as you can see here, it gives me a better shaping. So let me turn around. You can take a look at the back and everything. So I think I made a really good decision here. Okay, here's what it looks like with the dress on. This dress is very concealing, so you really can't see, but I can see a difference, and I like what I'm seeing. The only problem I had with this was that the straps, that they weren't very secure, and they wouldn't stay in place. Just a reminder, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks. Okay, so now on to our next bodysuit. This one is from Assets by Spanx. And this is a little bit more money. It's $38 retail. Here's what they look like. They give you a lot more pictures so you can get an idea of what you are purchasing if you were buying it online. And it also has a thing where you can have your breast out so that you can choose what bra, or if you want to wear a bra or not, whatever. That's an option with this particular fabric, I guess. And again, I use the same chart that I would use if I had my padding. This is how much it cost me with all the tax and shipping and everything. And here's my packaging. Just look like they just balled it up in a knot or something. So we're just going to open it up and see what we have inside of here. Just off the rip, it seems like this one is a little bit more detailed. Yeah, and it actually has spandex, so it actually stretches, whereas the other one, it just hung kind of loose. So just give me a close-up of what it looks like. So let's get this baby on and see what's going on. Okay, so here we go, putting on the spandex. I'm trying to make sure that there's not many ripples, because you're going to get little ripples from the clothes you're wearing underneath all of this stuff. Trying to make everything nice and smooth. So I'm going to start putting my padding, and it's a little bit more difficult, but not very much. Like I said, it's a more clingy fabric, or maybe should I say stretchy, and it's taking a little bit more effort to get it to push down into the bodysuit. So maybe if you were interested in buying a pair for yourself and you had padding, so you can pretty much expect to have this similar issue. Well, it's not really an issue, it's just the way things are. So just taking a look at that right now. Okay, so here's the 360 of what everything's looking like. It's a little bit more secure than the other one and not just like thrown all together. It actually stays in place is basically what I'm saying. So this is a reminder of what the issue was that I was having before. It was pulling my pants down, my tights down. Oh, jeez. Not my tights, my pads. And it was giving me a longer torso without the hips. This one is a little bit better in the fact that it gently slopes from the rib cage onto the hips, where a lot of women, the hips start really high. So it kind of gives you that illusion. So I have all my tights on and I'm just giving you a 360 how everything looks. And me personally, I like it so far. A lot better than the other one. The one by Jockey. So here is a close-up. As you can see, it stays in place. It's not riding down. Here is with the dress. I believe it looks a lot better, in my opinion. Giving you a 360 again. And here is a close-up. Much nicer. And I'm very pleased I made this purchase. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching.